Mudline Machines with a new video. And today we just got this new to us, Troybuilt F&R. It's like an F&R hydro mower here. Just got it from a great guy. We're gonna see what we're gonna do, or what all this needs here. Has a cooler, 19 horse in it, twin cam. That sounds pretty cool. The deck looks pretty good. I'm not sure like what we're gonna do with this thing so far, because we're gonna get it running and everything, and the deck works, and that'll be fine. So yeah, there's the new project we got going on here. So over here, all this thing needs is a new belt, and need to get the back tire. We only got one tire seated. Now I need to get the other one seated. So it's a new belt and should throw the battery in it and should be good. So yeah, that's it. Well, we just pulled off the cover, and well, I didn't, Austin did, but right. Okay, well, that's pretty good because ignition's right there, but oh, the wire goes right.
Yeah, oh, it's
So the starter is junk on here. I tried rebuilding it. So we just pulled off the starter, and it stinks. Smells like rain, water, and it's wet. This plate is really rusty. She's pretty corroded. Ooh, she is gummed up. So we're gonna rebuild this best we can, and hopefully it still has life in it. It's junk. So we built this little pull start pulley, and now we're gonna pressure wash it. Shout out to my buddy Austin. He did a good job getting it all waxed and stuff. All cleaned up. So it's been 2 days now, and since I've got this thing, and this thing has changed completely. Yesterday we got it pressure washed, waxed up, all cleaned out. The only thing is now we're waiting on the ignition to arrive, which will be here tomorrow. And this is how we're going to start it. I have to put a notch in that pulley and get a pull rope. Has fresh oil, cleaned out the carb yesterday off camera. Put the sticker on there to remember what motor it is. Got these tires to hold air using the carb cleaner method where you spray it in there and then you just light it. Now in the process of getting the deck back on, and I underpainted the side underneath the deck, greased all the spindles, sharpened the blades, so it's ready to go. The coil came today, got it all hooked up, and it's been running, but we got it just running off of a carb cleaner or ether or starting fluid, I don't know what you call it, but just run off that. I remembered we had fuel coming out, and well, we cracked the carb, cracked the bowl, and I just cleaned this out, and there's tons of gunk in there. And if you look, that gunk looks the same color as the stuff that's in the fuel filter. And this is good gas in here, by the way. That's all brand new gas. So we're gonna run to AutoZone or Tractor Supply or whatever and get a new fuel filter. And then we'll clean the carb again and see if it fires up.
Dude, I was trying to scream at you. Dude, did you see how hot it was? The same color as the tractor.
Well, I know it's hard to, I didn't tell you guys what happened here, but we came up with a conclusion. Well, okay, anyways, we got this thing running and we were driving over to my yard here, and I did a few laps with it around the yard. Cut great. It actually cuts awesome. And this thing's smoky, and it's really smoky, and we thought it was just gunk burning off the exhaust. So I stopped right here because I hit a rock and it saw sparks, so I shut off the deck, and Austin's coming in here like, dude, look under the hood, and I pop it open and the exhaust is glowing red. And I have a clip of it, but it was twice as hot as it was in the clip when I opened up the hood. Like, the whole exhaust was glowing. So I kind of think I ordered the wrong ignition here, the wrong coil, or we put the wrong spark plug in it. So we're gonna see. I'd like to put the fan thing back on somehow, and I actually think I know how we could do that. It'd actually be pretty easy, but yeah. So I'm here at the tractor, and I'm going to tell you guys what happened. So basically, this morning we put the new spark plug in it, put new oil in it, we redid the valves, and now it's fine. It didn't get all hot anymore. It's not getting hot anymore like it was last night. So the only other thing is we have a leaky valve cover. So as you can see, that drip right there, that's oil. And basically the oil will drip in that little puddle, and it starts to get hot and it steams, and then it just makes a mess. We're losing oil, makes a mess. And I was cutting and it was getting super smoky, and Austin's like, turn it off, there's a fire. And there was a little fire under there, so we beat it out with the rag. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna prop up the front so it doesn't leak oil, and we're gonna put a new seal on the valve cover, and then it'll be fine. So that's all it needs. So we just pressure washed it and got all that gunk, the rest of the gunk off of it. So that's not good. Here's the old valve cover. I'll have to clear that off, put the new stuff on, and clean that side off. We'll be good to go. We were taking off earlier and we snapped off a bolt, which isn't fun, but oh well. one bolt. Just got the outside of the valve cover done. Now I just need to get all that gunk out on the inside. This pretty much doesn't really need anything. So, put some sealant on here and get it going. So it's been a day, and the gasket maker has cured, and we started this thing up first pull. Doesn't get hot anymore, doesn't smoke. There was a little bit of water in the exhaust from when we pressure washed it, but now we have like another dilemma here. This is going to be my cutting mower, so we need cooling. So what we're going to do, we're going to get a bigger bolt. I'm going to put the fans on. We're going to notch out the cover so you can have the rope, and you just throw it around the pulley. We'll put the pulley on top of the fans and torque it all down. So that will be able to stay cool. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So this is what it will look something like this. Except the only thing is, I need to run a tractor supply and get myself a longer bolt. That is not long enough, which is fine. Probably head over there tomorrow, throw the cover back on, torque that down. This thing will be looking good. Maybe in a few days or weeks. I don't know when. We'll take this over and we'll do some cutting. The only thing I need, fix the cooling situation here, and then I'd like to fix the headlights because they like flashed on for a second, but everything else is fine. Oh, and except one other thing, I need to get a belt guard for that because that keeps falling off the pulley, which is no big deal. It's an easy fix. I need to throw the heat shield back on. So that's all. Here's the tractor, and last night I put a whole bunch of notches in the pulley and it was able to slide on the fins. Got a longer bolt, torqued it down, put the cover on it, and we're running it. I have a whole bunch of videos of us running it, so works fine. Then just a bit ago we took off the old battery, put in new ones, so now we have headlights. And right now we're taking off the front cover and we're gonna paint it black, make it look better, and then we're gonna paint the rims black on both sides too, so it looks nice. So yeah, that's the update. way better than light. Did the whole yard pretty much.
Oh, the cooler got him! Ah! The cooler got him! The cooler! Get it! Yeah!
So we're here with the Troybuilt. It has an upgrade. Brand new starter. And we got a belt cover on that side too. And headlights are working. Surges a little bit, but it clears out and idles like that. Here, let's see how easy it starts up now with the new starter. It's like my grandma's John Deere. Like you barely turn the key and it goes.